What's going on? What up? What up? Boom, 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 boom. Man, this price action is brutal. What up, Kevin? Hello, Joe. Trying to get these accounts. It's these three PA accounts. What up? What up? Yeah, that's how I got killed. And you know what's crazy is it was so clean of action today. Like, honestly, the action was so clean. Like, I could have easily have taken the bounce off this pivot point, bounced down here, and been done for the day. I did something stupid earlier, and it just manufactured into losses, and then I got chopped up a ton of times in here. I mean, what up? What up? A little bit of everything. Just not respecting rules. Just not respecting rules. So that's pretty much what happens. Should have been a nice, easy day, to be honest with you. That's the 5. I go to the 1 minute. Like, we opened, I actually got stopped out of a long on this big wick down. And then just stupidity. You accidentally DCA to 4 contracts on a Bullmax eval that only allows through 3.
Order filled.
If they allowed it, you should be fine. Oh, I just blew those accounts on this fucking dip. Just blew 3 PAs. Completely. You may not be, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying is, what size account in Bullnox, Peter? 50K account allows you 7 contracts. That's why. The small one. I'm just looking. Yeah, it says 3 contracts. I'm shocked they would even allow you to go to 4. I would just sell out so you only have 3 and just see what happens. It's weird that they allowed you to go up to 4. Because on the 50K, if you go higher than 7, it just tells you you can't do it. What up, Sean? Hello, Sono. Yeah, you should be fine. What I think you should be fine. Nobody's ever complained about bull knocks that I know of. Not one person has complained about bull knocks ever. They don't allow you to add more than 7 when you have a 50K. So I'm shocked that you could do it. You could add more in your 25. I do not trade Forex. I have in the past, but I do not. Dude, this price action is freaking killing me. It's pretty shitty. Kind of leads me to believe that we're going to dump. I mean, it's crazy just how we're just here. What sucks is they just sold me out on that dump. They destroyed my accounts, and it's right back to where I was at. Fucking crazy.
Order rejected.
I'm hoping it does. I'm hoping it does. Market way too high, but scammers keep pumping it up. I think big crash. I think they gotta keep it propped up to at least the election. I don't see them dumping it before the election. Imagine if the stock market was in a free fall 3 weeks before the election. No way. What up, Andy? What up, Luca? Price action is just brutal. Been a brutal day. Brutal, bro. I'm just waiting for a better setup, I guess. Yeah, I would keep trucking with it, Peter. I have a feeling you're going to be fine. I honestly don't want to. New prop firm from guys who left Tick Tick. I don't touch any prop firm until it's been around for at least 6 months. At least 6 months. I want to see people getting payouts. I want to see people that I know getting payouts. Um, yeah, I never use Tick Tick, to be honest with you. How was my weekend? It was pretty good. It was good. Yeah, and it's just one of my rules. Just one of my rules. I want to see that they're established. Um, I just want to see that they're established because you're giving them your money. I mean, $16 is not a lot, but if I'm going to start buying 10, 20 accounts, I just want to know if I'm putting in the time and effort that I'm going to get paid. This is what I thought was going to happen. I would literally be up right now.
Order filled.
Order rejected.
Submitted.
Order rejected.
Submitted.
Freaking copy trader off.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
This should have been in my funded account. That's so absurd. My funded account got stopped out down here.
Order filled.
What is the cheapest prop firm at the moment to be funded or for one account that's not funded? To get funded, your cheapest account is probably my funded futures. Oh yeah, because the stop loss was being moved up. So you hear cha-ching, 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 cha-ching when the stop loss was going up. That's my stop loss going up because it's freaking ripping. But yeah, the cheapest prop firm at the moment is probably my funded futures. There's no activation fee. So it's $76, no activation fee. So when you pass, there's no fee and you just kind of trading live. I found them easy to get paid on, personally. They have also end of day drawdown, which helps you out a lot. It's end of day, so you can let your contracts move around. You don't have to worry about intraday drawdown. So you can let winners run. You don't have to worry about pullbacks and things like that. That's why I've passed them, Kinja, by buying and just holding. That's how I passed a lot of them, because I don't have to worry about the intraday ups and downs. You just kind of hold. I like no activation fee now. Being that Apex is not running a deal, I have Take Profit Trader is like $100, but there's no activation fee as well. Oh my God, I didn't even know I was freaking in it. Geez. Ugh. My funded futures. They go by end of day drawdown. So my funded futures, it's $76 and there's no activation fee for a funded account. I ended up buying a 25K account because Take Profit Trader is donating $25 for every 25K account that is bought. So I bought a 25K account for the donation. I am not a fan of the 25K accounts, but I just did it to be to join the cause, the donation cause for, I think they're donating to the Florida Hurricane Relief Fund. Just push this. I can't believe Apex is not running any freaking deal, which leads me to believe one of two things is happening. Either they have so many people that they don't want any more people on there, and they're just kind of letting what they got ride, or they're having issues behind closed doors. These prop firms have a min contract size of like 1 mini, or you can always, no, you can trade micros. You could definitely trade micros. There's the minimum that you got to trade is 1 micro. That's the minimum, 1 micro. The maximum, depending on what firm it is, could be anywhere between 3 to 10 on a 50K account. Yo, what up, Carlos? What up, what up? Man, this is such crazy chop. The chop is real. You know what's crazy is I bought right here at the bottom. I literally bought like right here, and I could have just freaking held. So crazy. Miramar. Look like I can't expend price ladder. All right, so here's Volumetrica. If you have these double arrows, you can go wider, or if you have the hand allows you to move up and down, just like that. And then if you want to change price, I got to see, this shrinks the price and this zooms it in. I'm just holding down the button. That's how Volumetrica works. Smash the like button. Let's go. Smash it right down there, wherever it is. Smash it. Man, we are in some freaking chop, man. Chop city. I don't even know what to make of this. It's just, I will say we're chopping above the pivot point. We're chopping above the pivot point, above the 200. above VWAP. If anything, I would say we're going to go up, but I want to see it come back down a little bit. If it comes back down, I'll probably rebuy.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
See what happens. I can't believe they wicked this down, got me stopped out, and then just freaking. They're all pushing for the highs. I thought we would start pushing for the highs. That's kind of what I assumed, but I don't know. Oh yeah, look, I mean, I don't even have to look at it. I feel like it's going to go.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see, I buy in this one account. I'll just hold. It seems like it wants to. It's just grinding right up. Come on. It's just weird how all the indexes are making new highs except for NQ. Just seems like it's got to play catch up. Push it. NQ.
Order filled. Order canceled.
I'll take that. Come on, just push it with a big old candle. Oh yeah. Man, I can't believe that shit happened to me today. Unfreaking believable. Just on stupidity. Just freaking stupidity. Oh man, it's that thing you're doing is also doing me. No, the account that I'm like right there on is right here. $250 away from getting a payout. Let's see. That one's close. 95. 101. 102 is just down a little bit. 103 is actually brand new. I wasn't close on any of those. I was like up to like 50,000, maybe 500, 50,000, 800. And it was just on stupidity, like pure stupidity. That's the best way to put it, man. was just on doing shit that I shouldn't be doing earlier in the day. I don't know. What's going on? What up, Jay Stores? What up? What up? This market, I think, is just gonna freaking rip, to be honest. Look at this thing. This is basically the NQ. I mean, I kind of said that we were going to hit this area because now we have filled this gap that we've created on the Qs, and you're getting up into a hot ass zone. You're getting close to 500. Like, actually, I'm going to put an alert when we hit 500. I don't know, man. I feel like I'm going to wake up one day and we're going to be down 4% when I wake up. How's that sound? I feel like I'm going to wake up and be down 4%. Just how I feel. Just looking at all my accounts to see what I'm in, what's popping, what's not popping. Another decent day. Yeah, just take it step by step, man. This consolidation is freaking nuts. I honestly think, I don't know, I just feel like we're going to roll over because it looks so good, like it's going to go up. Damn, we just hit all-time highs on the ES. NQ does not seem like it wants to go to all-time highs. Shit looks slow. Looks super slow.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, I just wanted to see a little green. That's all I want to see. I want to see. I got a little green there, guys. Look, there it is. Just a little green. I was just making sure my panel went green still. Damn, lucky I got out. Would be red. Is it really? Yeah, NQ wants no part of it. NQ is just kind of hanging. It's so flat. Like if you look at the YM, you could see like staircase up, came down. Like it seems so much cleaner. This is just like one big chop fest the last, I don't know, since the last 2 hours. What up, Alfred? What up? What up? Everybody smash it. Dude, I'm getting freaking pounded. Actually, it was the rest of it I don't care about. It's these 3 accounts I care about. Where am I from? I'm out of Long Island in New York. You went long at open and then stopped. Yeah, I mean, if you went long at open, you're up. You were up. Yeah, Rob. I don't know. This chop is just killing me. Just getting chopped up, waiting for it to like look at this. Like that's almost borderline unplayable. What up, Willie? I kind of feel like we're gonna roll over. I just kind of feel like we're gonna roll over. The biggest problem I have with rolling over is uh you have the pivot point right here, you got the 200 right here. There's not much room to the downside before you start hitting some support. But I will say, if you're roll over and you're able to get under 595, it could be a holy shit. It could be an elevator down. Very bullish day overall. Held above Friday. Yeah, I agree. I mean, it's been bullish. I do not like this. I'm going to take something. Let's see what happens. I might do the same thing in a
Order rejected.
Order submitted.
Order rejected.
Submitted.
Order rejected.
Submitted.
I have to just shut this off. The copy trading is still on. May just stop trading here. We'll see. Yeah, I'm. Listen, I'm willing to take a shot here. Just kind of. I'm not taking a big shot. I don't have a lot of money in it. I'm just seeing if this is a rollover spot heading into the end of the day. We haven't been able to push up. Like I said, there's a lot of support underneath us. It's not a great trade. It's not like I wouldn't take it in a funded account. This is literally, I think, risk reward to me is like I'm risking 10 points, but if it goes my way, I could probably get 40 or 50. So I can get a lot more money than I can lose. That's how I see this trade playing out. And you know what? If I get stopped out, it is what it is. Dun, 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 dun. Just fucking chop. Sit tight. Yeah. All your trade is funded. What are you in fast track, Blue? Yeah, like if you have funded accounts, I would probably stay out of this mess. I most likely wouldn't trade account that was worth anything. This is an eval play to me for the most part. I think you can get a lot of points. I think you get a lot of points. I just think you're gonna have to, it's gonna have to really freaking break down. I want to see it, I want to see this dump. Oh man, I'm tired. Tomorrow's going to be a Celsius day, I can tell you that. Celsius! Oh, you brought it back to life? I love bringing an account back to life. That's freaking brutal. Someone asked me before about the most inexpensive prop firms. If you're talking about an account to also get it funded, this is one of the cheapest because you'll have a funded account for if you pass on the first go at, there's no activation fee, which means you can have a funded account for like $100. Boom, 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 boom. Man, chop fest. Let's go. Do something. I want to like hit it with the stick meme. Come on, do something. Crazy part is all the ones I destroyed today, I was up about $100 in, and I could have just stopped. Come on, roll over, baby. Yeah, this range sucks. Super tight. All right, well, I got $85 back in there. I mean, do I recommend more smaller accounts or a big one? I like the 50K account the best. I use 50K accounts most of the time, and if I don't do a 50K account and I get a bigger one, it's a 150. Yeah, that's probably what I would say. 50K accounts are my favorite, and then if I go outside of that, it's 150. Anything above 150 is going to take you too long to pass. Like the 250, you need to get $15,000 of profit. And then there's a 300K. I think it's 20 grand worth of profit. I mean, that's way outside what I'm willing to spend time to do. A lot of people like the 25K accounts. I think 50 is just my sweet spot. Ooh, that's a good one, man. That's a real good one. Whew. Minus 550 to up $4. Hey man, green is green. If I'm down 550 and I bring it back, yeah, this chop is rough. Every time you think you have a little momentum to get out of it, you get stuffed. You get the no, no, no. Man, I blame this chop
China.
on China.
China.
Yo, when I say the market's going to go down and it goes up.
Wrong.
Yo, what is YM just cruising? You would think that NQ is going to follow. Actually, the NQ is up a higher percentage than all of them today. So it's already up more. NQ's up, well, the Qs are up 0.9%. SPY is up 0.8. The Dow is up 0.5. And the IWM is up 0.7. So we're already kind of up. Whew. I just think the lack of movement here is I don't even think this is going to be the time. I want to say they're going to bring it down one more time. Bring it down. Bring it downtown. I want to see him bring it down to like 618. Maybe I'll grab something at 618.
Well, I think if they win, I should get all the credit. And if they lose, I should not be blamed at all. Okay.
That's how I feel about the chat room. If you guys make money, I want all of the credit. If you lose, it's not my fault. Oh. I don't even know what that was. They might just rip this. Man, this is getting nutty. This thing's leaving the station without me. I've been waiting for this to break to the upside for 2 hours. Whatever. I'm in. We'll see what happens. Trying to pass. Trying to pass. Honestly, if it rips, I wouldn't be surprised to go back up to high a day. I might just hang in here. Uh-oh. Fucking tilt is starting. I'm with you. I only calmed down because we weren't going anywhere. I don't know, Sean. If they start pushing this and the candles start getting bigger, they go over 640, it's not coming back. And if it does at that point, I think it's over. Because if it goes up to 640, the 34 is going to be over 624 eventually. What up, Marin? NQ, I'm here. It's me, Cove. Push. Come on. Okay. Okay. Pro at nothing? Bro, you have no idea, man. You have no idea. I got 690 because I was red and everything. I just wanted to see some red. I want to see some green. Like $61 is nothing. $257 is not bad at all. Like that's nothing to me. It's these three accounts that are bothering me. I blew them. You know. And the biggest problem is like there's no structure for me to actually trade here. You know, everything that I look for when I trade, we're not around. We're not creating any structure right now. It's just kind of freaking, it's just crappy. So I'm taking risks I normally shouldn't take. Oh man. Check. What do you like? I can't buy it up here. I want to see it come down to like 22 maybe. Literally stopped me out and came back down. Oh, dude, this is a rough environment. It's a lot of chop. This is not where you chase breakouts or you chase the drops. I wouldn't be chasing anything right now. Honestly, I would just be playing the range. And being that we're leaning upward, I would say we come back down to this red line. It's probably, you know, the bottom of the range. Yeah, I probably wouldn't be touching a funded account right now. This is very eval territory. I mean, to see something good, they got to really create some type of structure here over the next, 20 minutes, half hour for something to happen. You know, what sucks is they literally stopped me. These funded accounts got stopped out on this wick down. And then it went. That's freaking crazy to me. Crazy to me. By the way, Blue, thanks for sorting some of the stuff out in the Discord over the weekend. I think I got them to stop signing up also, all those spam accounts. I don't know why they keep coming in the room, though. It's like a bot. We're not even up a lot. Like, if you think like this is a big move, it's really not even that big of a move. Dude, they were going freaking hard in the paint, man. It was crazy. They want you to buy the meme coins. Buy the meme coins. Just waiting, sitting here, taking inventory here. Coleman Roberts, 2670. Stop loss or take profit? Are you short? If you're short, it's a stop loss. If you're long, it's a take profit. Are you long? I mean, I could see it going up there. Yeah, I mean, I could see it kind of retesting highs, but got to remember, you only have an hour and 10 minutes left. Oh, take profit. Yeah, I mean, I would have a stop somewhere down probably, and then yeah, I would look to sell if we break out of this to the north side. I'd probably look to sell somewhere in here if it was me. Which firm am I talking about in my thumbnail that has no activation fee? Take profit trader. Take profit trader. If I can find it. It's 40% off zero activation fee right now. So when you pass, you do not have to pay an activation fee to go from your eval to a funded account. I'm looking for it. There it is. There it is, ASR. Nice little flag going on right here. They might dump it though. They might roll it over. Ah, nice, Coleman. Good job. Stick with it, man. So I gave it the drop. I would expect a bounce somewhere around the 34. Yeah, this is so I actually have a funded account with Take Profit Trader. These are my two accounts. I got a 50K and a 25K. I got a 25K because they're donating every 25K that's bought. They're donating $25 to the Hurricane Relief Fund. So I bought a 25K account. I'm not really a 25K account guy. I'm more of a 50K or 150K. So, but yeah, that's the deal. Yeah. 25K is the lowest. Some firms have a 10K, but 25 is majority of them is the lowest. At least for futures. The Forex goes lower. If you're new to this, you got to use the coupon code to get 40% off and no activation fee, just so you're aware. I think Apex is going to roll a deal out this week. I feel like they have to. I feel like if they want to keep getting people, they have to. I feel like if they don't want more people, then they're just going to keep what they do, just keep what's going on. I mean, why would anybody shit on them currently? I mean, you know, I'm just at the point where I'm not gonna. There's better options out there. At this point, I would rather just get a take profit trader account or or my funded futures account. I don't need to. I most definitely don't need a new Apex accounts. Plus, I have 40% on take profit trader. Yeah. Also heard a lot of affiliates like Patrick are churning accounts. Maybe. I don't really follow him, to be honest with you. I don't follow him because he doesn't show you he shows you how much he made after he made the money. Like, he'll be like, oh, I kind of like this. And you don't see his accounts. You don't see the orders go in. And then all of a sudden it goes and he's like, oh yeah, I bought and I'm up. It's like, well, cool, man. Like, you didn't really show anybody anything. But if it works for him, it works for him. They're all calling each other out on Twitter. Why? What are they doing? They're just buying accounts to just show big gains. Yeah, I saw somebody called Brett out for his auto trader thing when he took people's money, and I guess he was trading for them or something like that, and then a bunch of people lost money. Somebody said something about it on Twitter. I didn't even get into it. $900 PAs. Yeah, I mean, listen, I saw Patrick trade this is months and months ago. He said he wasn't getting any Apex payouts, and every day he was trading 20 accounts and they were getting smoked. So he was constantly buying new accounts, like 20 accounts a day, I would probably say. basically calling each other out. Cove trying to make excuses. Excuses. What do you mean? I don't. Maybe I missed it. These people aren't understanding. I think what they're doing is they're just getting a lot of accounts and they're just kind of going all in just to show big games. And the back end is they're losing a lot of money. Bro, I saw that. He got 50 something $1,000. That's fucking wild. Fucking insane. He also has 800 people on his stream at a time. He also has a huge following from people paying him in a Telegram group before that. You know, like people were paying him $100 a month for his service. So all those people that were paying him just street followed him into that. Is there a future demo account like for free? I don't know. You if you downloaded NinjaTrader, they give you a SIM account. Nah, not really cooking today, Ace. Honestly, it's really just those 3 accounts. Yeah, I've seen him blow a ton of accounts. I think you get live data. I'm not exactly sure because I've only done it, but I see when I sign on, it gives me a SIM account. Other than that, I don't know where you can get a demo account from. One up trader gives you like a week free. History repeating. Thank you very much for helping Sono out. I appreciate it. This thing looks like it's just gonna fucking dump. This is my mood right now.
Order rejected.
No. Okay. Fed speaker at 3 o'clock, which is right now, everybody. Just to fuck up everyone's day. Bum, 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 bum. So swift. Yo, what up, Fred? Starting to stack a little bit here. I just got an email from Apex saying they're going to stop having payout periods. What do you got to do? You got to trade for 10 days, I'm guessing, Marie? Just trade any 10 days, I would assume. That's how Bullnox is. 10 days, you trade 10 days, you can get paid out no matter where it is in the month. Payout periods are kind of stupid. So I want to take that. The old. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't take that. Eight. Oh, you know why they did 8 days? Because previously you had to trade 10 days and they allowed you to flip for 2 days. They probably are taking the flip out of it and you got to trade 8 days. Yeah, 8 trading days. They may even stop having payouts altogether if someone gets put on probation. Double secret probation. They're going to push this back up? You pieces of shit. Oh, now they're going to... Darrell Chuckles. APEC. Holy shit. Dude, I mean... I think we're going to just fucking dump. It's confirmed no more payout periods with APEC starting November 1st. Dude, they need to go back to... keep whatever it is and go back to 90% off. Let me go full degen for a little bit. Or I just start lighting accounts up. Man, if we were at 90% off, I would have blown through probably 30 accounts today. You'd have been seeing a show and a half. Oh, pieces of shit. They're going to be like Topstep, my funded futures. Why? What do you think they're going to do? I mean, I just want them to pay on time. I mean, they've been paying quickly. I'm about to ask for another payout. Yeah, I mean, 8 days of trading is pretty sweet. You trade 8 days, you get paid. One more freaking time. I'm waiting for this big ass dump.
They call them dumps, big, massive dumps.
What up, bro? I heard an email from Apex saying they're going to allow DCA. I have not seen that email, man. The DCA gang's back. It's like the hangover. We're back, baby. We're back. Dude. I don't know why they got rid of it. You would think that most people smoke accounts like that. They just keep on averaging in, and then it just, goes up in smoke. I would think DCA hurts more than helps, but what I think is there's probably a couple people that did DCA and got a big payout, and then that's why they stopped it. History repeating. Have you received the payout from my fast track? I've been approved since I have multiple tickets open in Discord. They just keep saying I'm in the queue. I have not. I just started trading fast track, and I don't even trade all the accounts every day. Like today, I've only traded one fast track account out of maybe the 12 that I have. So it's just not because it's like a one-time pay, and I kind of just trade one of them. I'm not really pushing the accounts very fast. Yeah, because you can get massive payouts with DCAing. But the CEO said stop bothering him and you get doxxed. It's crazy. Are they going to break this out? Hold above the 34. Hold above the 34. Let's see what happens. Super tight stop loss. Super tight. I just want to see if it holds the 34 and pops here. Going long here, 3 contracts. Woo! Somebody's cooking. I just want to see if it holds here. I feel like you can get like a 10-point pop. In normal conditions, this isn't a bad setup. It's just this chop is just killer. There's no momentum either way. Push it. Push it real good. I mean, you got the pop, you got the rest candle. Now you want to get over 29. I don't even know what that noise was. Let's go.
I'm gonna come.
Let's go.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
That's the DCA boys coming back to make all their billions. Max Trader. Apex update. Oh, major announcements. Okay, I got the email open. I'll just read it to everybody. No more payout periods. You can DCA again, just within risk management limitations. But yes, multiple additional entries will be allowed. Yo, just remember, when you spell Will, my man left an L off. Oh. I have no idea about risk reward and all that other stuff. But they definitely are bringing DCA back. We're back, boys. We're back. That's actually massive because beforehand, I don't even think I was streaming. But I DCA'd a lot beforehand. So like argument's sake, say the pivot point was at 80. I used to go into micros and I'd set up like 4 or 5 buys and I would just zone it out, create this big zone and just get filled as we got closer. And then if we went over the pivot point, I also got filled a couple. Is there a duck race today? There is not a duck race today. We'll probably do one tomorrow. I think they're only bringing back DCA with micros. That's based on John's video. I'm fine with doing that. That's how I used to do it. I used to do micros. I used to do 5 micros at a clip, which used to add up to like 2.5 minis, but man, every time they go to drop this thing, they just bring it back up. Insane. Insane. I mean, oh, that's how they trade. Max size, that's how I trade. Yeah. I mean, that I would still be fine with that if they did 15 micros and allowed me to DCA in. Originally, that's how I used to trade. Like, say I wanted to get in around this bottom, I would buy like here, here, and then like here if we kept going further down. And I used to love doing that. I felt like I got better entries. I felt like I held longer. But they did away from DCAing, and that's kind of I'm gonna pump this thing. Moolah Detox. Bro, hope you're doing great today. Not doing great, but it's okay. It's all good. It's all good, you know? Hopefully I can get some of my evals up here. Boom, 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 boom. Push it. Push it up. If you're interested, we're gonna do the duck race tomorrow. There it is. We'll run it tomorrow. You're demo trading this month? Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, man. Two winning trades, that's solid. That's all you really need. Sometimes you just need one trade. What up, Corey? Pump this thing. There's no push. There's no urgency. There's no buying pop. Just no pop here. You get a nice little flag here. I'm hoping they dude, that's how it feels, man. That's exactly how it feels. It's rough just to try to get 20 bucks, man. 20 bucks is 20 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Also, this got spun a little bit. There we go. Oh. Come on, baby. Just push it. I don't know what you're saying. Dude. Push this shiznick. Push it. Push it. That was it. Oh, geez. I might get out here, actually. What I don't like, I'm going to take my money. What I don't like is we became overbought in the short term. I don't like that we became overbought. That's kind of a, you know, not great. Bro, how can you trade Mac Rhythmic with Mac? Dude, you got to go on YouTube and look. You got to like download some software and stuff. It's not easy. You got to download software to do it. Yeah, definitely not easy to do. I think you got to get software, and then I don't know what type of software it is. They have there's a bunch of videos though. Island Boy uses a VPS. Yeah. Yeah, basically on your Mac, you got to run Windows. I think that's how it happens. You basically run Windows on your Mac somehow. I don't know. I have a PC, so I never had to. Man, talk about not really going anywhere. I think it closed, Marie. Here, I'll open up for 2 seconds. Go, click, do it one more time, Marie, and I'll close it. I just did it for whoever was in the room. Honestly, this is making a lower high. I mean, you can definitely support it. I want to say it's just you kind of got a double top here. You kind of got a double top here. Yo, is it a top or a power bottom? BRB, the market is shit now. I'm even that. Yeah, the market is super shit right now. That the power bottom. Wow, missed my fill by a few points. Dropped this bitch lower. Yeah, let's see what happens. Dun, 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 dun. I want to see him just dump it. Dump it. I'm going to get wicked out, and then it's going to come back down. That's what's going to happen. Wicked out, and then it's going to come back down. I feel it. I feel it. There's no real like setup here, to be honest with you. I mean, you're approaching a high from before. There's nothing that's like screaming. There's going to be a time soon enough that you're just going to dump all day. I feel like it's sooner than later. It's just crazy that they haven't dumped it. Like with the whole Israel thing, they didn't dump it. Like there's a lot of things that have happened that they have not dumped it. Fucking crazy. I'm switching out of this account. I'm just going to go to an eval. Oh, look. Yeah, it wicked me out. Now they're dumping it. Dual. Yeah, I'm with you. They wicked me out. And now that's the fucking top. I almost want to take a short where I stop. That's my stop loss for the day. Look at this shit. 101. Hold on one second. Feels dumpy. Jesus, this thing's fucking. This is crazy. Dude, it can't be stopped. It looks further than it is, but I mean, each bracket's only 5 points. It's only 10 points up. I just think that you could have an unreal dump here if they would let it go, just because you've been grinding up like down to like 15 or recheck 600. Just kind of feels that way. YM was up 400 points in front. Yeah, I mean, the sellers will come. I mean, you're just not getting the push. I want to see a big freaking red candle down. What? Oh, fuck me. I was literally just going to sell it out. I was literally just going to go sell it out. Dude, that's fucking wild. I'm curious if they just pushed this. I don't even know what caused that. This thing is. Now I'm really on tilt. I don't understand why out of nowhere it popped 20 points. Some guy just hit the fucking button. I mean, it does lead me to believe it's only going to go up today. Kind of feels like they're just going to bring it up. That's kind of what it feels like. Link trades, yeah, man. We're going to be able to DCA again. No payout periods. All the good shit. All the good stuff, man. Now I just need them to give 90% off. Yo, they're going to break out the freaking baby oil. No idea what that noise is. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, why does this keep freaking logging me out? Oh, now it automatically clicked this button. Going to $1 million? Damn, 12 cents? Holy shit, finally. Just needed 12 cents to pass 100K. Finally got it. Jeez, man. The old 12 cents. Dude, imagine you blew it with 12 cents. Bro, that'd be a record. That would be a record. Although I blew one after I was over already the other day. Are they going to push this or what? Come on, I want to see some Diddy candles. Let's go. To the moon, man. High a day, maybe. I don't think we're gonna get to high a day. I don't know. Yeah, definitely better lock the account. That's for shit sure. Better lock it. Are they going to come back to the 34 here? Can they? I'm a bit excited about the Apex news. Yeah, I got wood. Yeah, I think it's going to be good for everybody, though. I think being that you can DCA is going to help me out with entries. I don't have to kind of play one entry. I can go back to how I used to get in. I used to create 4 buy spots using 5 micros at a clip. So I'm kind of excited. Yeah, NQ today has been a little rough. Rough around the edges, without a doubt. I think it's just going to keep trending up. Just kind of seems that way. Just seems like that. I think it's going to be one more drop. You're under the 9 here. They emailed it to everybody. It's probably on their website, but they definitely emailed it to everybody. Yeah. Oh, I didn't get filled. No fill? Oh, come on. Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that? Damn. I ain't chasing this. That's for shit sure. I will just watch. I think I don't even think their Discord's open anymore. I think they canned their Discord. So I'm pretty sure they have no more Discord, or they have like one room open for whatever. Damn. Never got filled. Well, you're going to have, if you're in any positions, you have an algo bot coming in 1 minute. 1 minute algo bot. I mean, you got to assume it's probably going to touch 80 probably. I just chased it like an idiot. I was actually up $30. I was about to just hit it real quick, and now I'm stuck. Come on. It just feels like they're going to just ramp it. Just feels like they're going to just fucking rip it. That's how it feels like it's going to happen on the NQ. Just big old freaking candles. Nope. Nope. So watch, and now that it comes down, hits my original buy spot. Ridiculous. Ridiculous, ridiculous. Bum, bum, bum. I'll be honest with you, if it comes down here, I kind of like it. If I'm able to get filled, I think they're going to close this thing strong as hell. Just my personal freaking belief. Watch them bring it back up to say a prayer. Yeah, I mean, they just dropped it 30 points. Let's see if they can bring it back up 15 to 20. You know? I mean, I don't even normally trade like this. This is like today's price action has been awful. I'm going to get stopped out. This is normally, I would short this normally. Normally I would short that. Yeah. So you could just see it stayed under. Oh, just an awful day. Just an awful fucking day. Things I would typically do, just not doing. Fucking missed trades. Yeah, I mean, basically, why I would have played that is it bounced right here. You kind of got a small bounce off the 34, and then you kind of are getting back below it. Normally, I would short that shit, and you would get at least 5-10 points out of it, and that's normally what I would do. But I fucking didn't for whatever reason, and now. Yeah, Ray, just a bad day. Can you hear me? I'm back. Let's see what that was ridiculous. Oh, look, I'm stuck in a trade. Look, how awesome is that? That goes to cap off the fuck it.
Order rejected.
That's so stupid. My fucking internet goes off. I'm in a trade. Just blow the account. I mean, geez. No, it couldn't have been a good mistake where my internet goes out, I fucking open the computer up and I'm over or something like that. No. No, I'm in a trade and the account's basically smoked by the time I turn this shit back on. Yeah. Yep. VWAP's not even there. This thing's wrong. There, see, that's where it really is. Yep. Fucking internet. Everything that could go wrong went wrong today. You name it, it went wrong. I didn't take trades. I chased trades. My fucking internet goes out. More things couldn't have happened wrong today. Whoa, what the fuck is this? 104? Oh, I don't even, oh, here's another one that's just going wrong. I randomly just got in this trade. Oh, well, there we go. Something that just went right. Something just went right. Just went right. I randomly got in a trade and made $80. Jeez. I don't even think it's done dropping. I wonder if it just sells off. Problem is we're after hours. I'm done doing damage. Honestly, this PA got fucking housed. This is like whatever, and then I lost these three. I wonder if they unload it further to the downside. So nope. Jeez. They started dumping it. They're gonna stop me out. I feel it. I need a big ass red candle to get away from my stops. I need like 7 points down. Come on. I hate trading after hours though. Just very blah with all the lack of volume, I guess. Damn. Honestly, it was so stupid of me to miss blatant opportunities to make a lot of money today. It was just on me. Just fucking on me. Like, I'm just going to be real. This thing opened up. I literally went to take it north and got wicked out instantly. And then, like, it was just pretty fucking clear. Like, I had the short right here. And then I just did stupid shit. What really got me the most was I played this bounce. And then I got hosed. I went to play it again. Lost. I think I got stopped out at the 200. Or I got stopped out again at the 200 here. It sold through. I got stopped out at VWAP again. And then, I don't know, I just did a bunch of stupid shit after that. Well, I got stopped out here, so that's fucking done. Oh, man. just didn't fucking trade right at all. Didn't trade my plan. Didn't trade what I trade. Luckily, the account that's close to a payout didn't get fucked. And I still got other PA accounts that really didn't get fucked. So I'm still there. But geez, man. That's what copy trading, guys. This is copy trading. Otherwise, I could have lost one account, but that's what copy trading can do. I think I'm gonna copy trade, but once I hit like up 1,000 or up 1,200 in an account, I probably stop copy trading after that because I'm already like halfway to payout. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I don't want to lose accounts that are close and lose 3 that are close, even though those weren't. I don't know what I want to do, but I definitely do not want to mess around with this account. I'm $227 away from a payout of getting $2,000. So I don't want to mess that up. Oh, baby. Well, price action was really, I don't know, this chop slow grind is not price action that I trade well in. I probably should have stopped. I did think at some point, as long as we held over the pivot point area somewhere around here, that we would continue north. That was my thesis. I should have stuck with it because I would have just held through all this shit. But it is what it is. I am I'll be back tomorrow, guys. That's all I can do. But when I shut this stream off, I'll make my recap video and whatnot, and I forget about it. And I just start back over tomorrow fresh. You can't be carrying losses, every day and think about what happened yesterday. You just got to start fresh. So I shall see you guys tomorrow. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Peace.